Good day, everyone. My name is Michael Sanose, being a student, and I'm the reporter for today. I'm going to discuss about the maintenance planning and control, what things needed to remember, maintenance benefits, and how things matter in maintenance planning. So, this is a story of a maintenance supervisor in a large industrial plant. Every day, this supervisor struggled with a large maintenance work and many urgent repairs, and his crew is just have done enough time to get all the work done. Too often, work stops because a part is missing or because the crew are unsure how to complete the task. The supervisor is worried about the growing backlog of works. Repairs are not getting done on time, leading to equipment failures that could have been prevented. The supervisor is overwhelmed that one of these days things could go terribly wrong in his plant. So it was questioned by what and how to resolve these problems. It getting worse day by day. Solution is urgently needed to avoid more delays and future problems, machine failures, and many more problems. So we need to set the goals. Goal setting is the first step towards success. Goals come to being productive. A lot of people in organizations strive to be more efficient. They want to tick off more to-do list items per day, reach out to more leads per month, or otherwise do more something in less time. Also, planning and scheduling is a key factor to solve this kind of problem and to reach our goals step by step until we lessen the problem. Because maintenance planning and control provides everybody with the right tools, materials, and work instruction to do the work at the right time. This is why maintenance planning and control is needed. And here are the important things to remember in making plan to be more efficient and effective. This is the first element needed, man or people. It is all about skill set. What kind of skills need, number of manpower is also considered, and also how long those people is needed in a particular activity. Do I need a welder, an electrician, or a specific skilled person? And also, second element is a place. We're talking about the assets where specifically located because we should be identifying the asset back to the work order and where it is located because we want to save time when that making maintenance we don't want to waste time in trying to find some location. It should be properly defined to avoid searching for or configuring where it is. It's about scheduling element. When can we do it? What particular day? When can we coordinate the operations in order to meet the production needs? And what are the availability of the labor resources? In particular, whether it's shutdowns, time of the week, or a specific day of the week, which correlated in increased expenses. Do the maintenance can affect the production output? What are the available machines for maintenance? How long it will take, a lot of factors included in time. And also, tools and equipment and materials are needed to be considered. Here, showing the different machines ongoing maintenance. And now, we're going to talk about the tools and equipment and materials. What tools, special tools, and specific tools needed? We're talking about the normal maintenance person tools. We're talking about tools needed and beyond that. Necessarily, equipment to do that maintenance in order to move that particular materials. In materials, we're talking about spare parts, components, assemblies in order to make that maintenance repair, whether it would be our vendors, master electricians, or the maintenance supervisors in order to do that job. Hence, it is important to maintain them regularly. This will help us to increase the service life as well as the performance of the equipment. Also, the last one is the information. It can be in many forms. It can be in disassembly, reassemble, book from operating manual, maybe torque specific specs, maybe clearances, what information needed to support that work that can support the maintenance person. What are the safety elements that are identified associated with the maintenance work activity and a permit needed to accomplish the activity? From the identification and definition of relevant importance to each activity performed by the installation and establishing alternatives and contingencies for the failure. Regular maintenance schedule is basically a list of predatory actions carried out at a regular time intervals which are aimed at the prevention of breakdowns. Testings and inspection of the premises and equipment will ensure longer life, higher value of assets, and higher return on investment. So now, through planning and control, we can ensure that the availability of the machines and equipment will perform their functions in their optimum condition with the development of the special purpose machine and the equipment. It costs a lot more money so their idle time, machine breakdown becoming more expensive day by day. Therefore, it is important that plant machinery should be properly maintained. Success is planning when backlog to work is less than a pleasant working environment, cost reductions, and machine failure. That's all for today. Thank you for listening.